Welcome back. In our previous video, we explored how to retrieve and analyze financial data using the EODHD APIs and ChatGPT. We showed you how to set up Jupyter Notebook and run AI-generated code to fetch stock prices, visualize trends, and analyze market sentiment. But now, let's take it a step further. Before we start, we need to set up our API key and date range. You can find your API key in your EODHD dashboard, copy it, and provide it to ChatGPT to gain access to real-time and historical market data. Now that we've set this up, let's explore advanced financial analysis with EODHD API and ChatGPT. First, let's fetch fundamental financial data for a stock and an ETF. We'll retrieve key metrics such as market capitalization, P/E ratio, and dividend yield. To ensure the output is displayed directly in the chat rather than as a downloadable file, we need to make the request correctly. I have also reminded our assistant not to trim the output, as he tends to do. Here we can see a sample of the full output. It shows general information, valuation metrics, financials, and more. Now let's run it in Jupyter Notebook and test the result. As you can see, we've pulled detailed fundamental metrics like revenue, net income, and valuation ratios for both Apple stock and the VTI ETF. This is crucial for fundamental investors analyzing company financials before making decisions. For dividend investors, tracking a company's dividend history is essential. Let's retrieve historical dividend payments for Apple stock to analyze its payout consistency. We can see the output provided in the chat window with dividends details. Let's copy the code and run it in Jupyter Notebook and test the result. This data helps dividend investors evaluate long-term income potential and predict future dividend payouts. And we've got it all here working. Here's whole history in the output. Stock splits can significantly impact a company's stock price and investor sentiment. Let's retrieve historical stock split data for Apple to see when splits occurred and at what ratio. We can see the example output here. Let's run the code and see if it works for us also. This data helps investors understand stock price adjustments due to corporate actions like Apple's famous 4-for-1 stock split in 2020. Finally, let's test the real power of AI and automate our financial data workflow. We'll create a script that fetches stock data, calculates moving averages, detects trading signals, sends alerts when a crossover occurs. This kind of AI-powered automation can save time and optimize decision-making. The email sending failed, and it's an easy fix with just one prompt. However, I saw a suggestion from ChatGPT to send alerts via Telegram instead of email. Let's explore what we can get with that option. Well, here's the code. You can test it yourself by copying my prompts. This automation can help traders set up alerts for buy and sell signals, reducing the need for manual monitoring. In this video, we demonstrated how to retrieve fundamental data, get historical dividends and stock splits, and automate financial workflows using AI-generated code. In our next video, we'll explore the real-time stock and crypto price tracking, backtesting trading strategies, and building AI-powered trading bots. Try it yourself. Sign up on EODHD.com to get your API key and start working with financial data today, and I'll see you in the next one.